Cookery basics, how to cook the perfect steak. Here's a little guide for you. I mean, chefs touch the meat as it's cooking. I touch the meat when it's cooking. Here's a little guide. If you put your thumb and forefinger together, don't press it, just let it rest together. If you feel in there, that's what rare meat would taste like. Here, medium rare. Here, well done. And here, well, I think that's only fit for the dogs. What you do first off is you don't put oil in the pan, you put oil on the steak. So a little bit of olive oil on your steak, brush it all over, a little bit more. And then you season it, only one side, you've only oiled one side, and we'll season one side with some salt and pepper. Now I'm going to demo this on the worktop and then I'll do it behind me on the stove. But you need to get this griddle pan until it's almost smoking hot. Even smoking hot is fine. And then you put your steak down, oiled and seasoned side, and that will sizzle like a thing possessed. When that's cooking, you then oil and season the other side. As it cooks, you'll be able to see the colour changing, coming up through the steak. If you end up slicing into it and it's too pink for you and you've already sliced into it, put the slices in a pan just for a couple of seconds.